In this video we will discuss parts of circles. E is the center of this circle, so we use the circle symbol and then write E. Circle E. Radius, we have two of them. So we have EF and GE. And we use the bar symbol on top because we're just talking about the name. GF is the diameter. It's a chord that goes through the center. Tangent, we have this line right here that touches the circle at one point. So we have line KJ. We'll put the line symbol on top. Secant, we have this line up here. It intersects a circle in two places. So we have line LM. Once again, line symbol. Chord. Okay, chord is a segment with its endpoints on the circle. So we have chord HI. Okay, and we only use the segment symbol, the bar. And then we have the diameter, which is a special chord that goes through the center. So we have FG. Okay, now major and minor arc. I've got the example several times over here. Okay, a minor arc has a measure of less than 180 degrees, and a major arc is greater than 180 degrees. And then the other, I guess you could say third case, is that you have a semicircle, and that's just 180 degrees. But we're only going to practice these. Okay, I've highlighted for you a minor arc right here. Okay, the semicircle is right here. So here's where the circle's cut in half right along the diameter. So this is definitely less than 180 degrees. And we name that IF with an arc symbol. Okay. Now, so that's less than 180 degrees. So an arc that would be a major arc would be the rest of it that would complete the circle. We give that a three-letter name. So for example, I could say F to I, so I have to go all the way around here to indicate going all the way around, but I got to pick a letter that's somewhere in the middle. So I go F, H, and then I. So I can call it F, H, I, and I'll put the arc symbol on that. Make sure it looks arcy, curved. I could have said G. I could have also said F, G, I, and it would mean the same thing. It means from F all along the circle. We pick the second letter in there as our third letter to kind of indicate which direction we're going. Okay, if I just said Fi as my final answer, then I'm not sure which one. Am I talking major or minor arc? Okay, another example on that same image is this arc right here. So your minor arc is HG, and your major arc would be the rest of it that completes the circle. So let's start with G. So G, and as I go around, I could use I or F because they're both points on the circle. So I'll use I. So G, I, and then H. Okay, and I put the arc symbol on top. And once again, I could have called it G, F, H, and that would have been just fine as well. Okay, probably should put the arc over here. Okay, third example. So when you look at the picture, once again, you're looking for minor arcs, something that's where it's less than a semicircle. Okay, so once again, my semicircle is right here, and this is definitely less than 180 degrees around the circle. So the minor arc is HI, and then the major arc would be what completes it. So I don't know, let's start with I, and as I trace around here, here's letter F, so I'm going to call it I, F, and then all the way to the H. Okay, so minor and major. Once again, 2 letters for minor, 3 letters for major. Okay, I've highlighted over here another minor arc on that image. So we have IG is the minor arc. And then the major arc, let's go G, and you got your options. G, H, and then I, or it could say G, F, then I. So how about G, F, and I? Okay, and then the arc symbol. I found one more minor arc on here. So we have FH, 2-letter name, and then the major arc, a 3-letter name. So let's start with H, and I'm going to work my way all the way around the circle using 3 letters. So we have H, G, and F. Okay, would be the major arc. and once again, I could have called it HIF as well.